Bikes are stolen, like a lot. 2 every minute, over 1 million every year, and that's just what's reported. That's why we're so excited to bring you LINKA, the world's first auto-unlocking smart bike lock. LINKA can do a lot of cool things, but at its core, it's a powerful lock that's hard-mounted to your frame, so you're always ready. When you're ready to lock up, just tap the button, and a hardened steel ring slides into place, making it impossible to ride away. So now that your bike's locked, if someone tries picking it up, LINKA has a built-in accelerometer that automatically triggers a siren, stopping the thief in their tracks, while simultaneously sending a tamper alert directly to your phone so you know what's up. Now, what makes LINKA a smart lock is its ability to recognize who you are and automatically unlock as you approach. Of course, you can always unlock it with your smartphone, or for phoneless access, you can press your 4-digit passcode. So if you want to lock your bike to something, add on a LINKA chain and just lock up to an existing bike rack. If you already have a chain or a U-lock, then you're all set. Inside LINKA is a really powerful battery. You can get up to 1 whole year before your next charge. And the LINKA app notifies you when your battery's low, so you never really have to think about it. So about the app, not only does it auto-unlock LINKA, send tamper alerts, and track battery usage, we're really excited to introduce our theft indicator map. The app tracks reported stolen bikes in your area and warns you of dangerous locations. We'll even recommend a safer place to park. So we packed LINKA with a bunch of awesome features. But equally as important to us was creating a design and form factor that you'd be excited to put on your bike. So why are we doing this? The more I kept riding my bike, the more I realized how difficult it was to keep it safe. After doing some research, I found out I wasn't the only one having this problem. And that's when LINKA was born. I put my engineering and product design background to work immediately. And after almost 2 years of research, prototyping, and testing, now we're ready to go to production. All that's missing is your support. Please join us and let's make LINKA happen together.
Hi, my name is Sean from Kryptonite. I'm here today to talk to you about the Evolution Series 4 integrated chain. This chain is 8 out of 10 on our security scale, which means it's a high security lock. This lock is perfect for overnight lockups in suburban areas and perfect for metropolitan stops. The integrated chain is often considered a flexible U-lock. It's great for tough lockups around the immovable object. It offers the convenience of a cable lock while providing the strength of the U-lock. This integrated chain lock comes with 3 stainless steel keys, 1 with an LED light. As always, don't forget to register your keys with our key safe program. That way if you lose your keys, we can send you a replacement set. The lock also comes with a Kryptonite lifetime warranty. This chain comes with 10mm 6-side chain links. The chain secures directly into the lock head and also has a sleeve to protect your bike finish. The lock head also has a sliding dust cover to keep dirt and grime out of your cylinder. The Evolution Series 4 integrated chain is an 8 out of 10 on our security scale. It's a high security lock that's perfect for both suburban and urban lockups. This is the Mini 1055, which is 55 centimeters long. Also available is the 1090, which is 90 centimeters long, as well as the 1016, which is 160 centimeters long. For more information, visit our website at kryptonitelock.com.
A bike lock is a tiny item, but it's also insurance for your beloved bike. It's estimated that over 1.5 million bicycles are stolen every year. Over 40% of stolen bikes were locked when being stolen. No matter how strong your lock is, it's still not nearly safe enough. What you need is a proactive bike guard. ZiiLock. ZiiLock is the first foldable bike lock with fingerprint unlock as well as a smartphone keyless entry for your bike. You are the key to the next tree. ZiiLock is made of 6.5mm temper hardened steel bars, 7mm diameter rivets, and anti-drilling components, providing the security of an U-lock with the flexibility of a chain. The 98cm unfolding length enables a wider protective range. Even cargo e-bike or a fat-tired bike can be locked easily. The compact design makes ZiiLock easily folded and carried in the portable lock case or your bag. The rubber surface coating also protects your bike's paint job. It uses an always-on Bluetooth connection with your phone, so your bike can be locked and unlocked with only the tap of a button. ZiiLock is equipped with a sensitive motion sensor. It can detect any unauthorized actions and alert you right away. You can always keep an eye on your bike just like you are next to it, even if you are 100 meters away.
Hey man, ZiiLock!
You can share a temporary code with someone, allowing your friend or family to use your bike or lock by their smartphone. ZiiLock is embedded with an efficient lithium battery and low power consumption components, supporting long-lasting protection up to 3 months. When the battery runs out, you can still unlock it with a spare key. Now, after months of development, ZiiLock is finally launched, and we need your support to make it happen. Thank you. You are the key to ZiiLock.
What's up, guys? Now, have you ever been in one of those really annoying situations like this? Or maybe like this? You know that feel, and so do we. That's where Walsun comes in. Walsun is a compact disc brake fingerprint bike lock. Only 220 grams in weight, it's so easy to carry. Walsun locks onto the disc brake, providing durable protection for your bike. And you can use the cable lock for added security. Walsun is fitted with an energy-efficient battery and low power consumption components. A single charge provides up to 3 months of protection. Your finger is the key to Walsun. Just tap and within half a second it unlocks and you're ready to go.